Hey y'all, so it has been a long time since I have vlogged and today is the day. So my boyfriend and I are going to be going to the zoo and I'm really excited. So a little backstory of how my boyfriend and I met. We've only been together together for a couple of months now, but we've been talking for a little while. And so we met actually on YouTube. He's a YouTuber as well. I will be linking his channel in the bio below, so be sure to go check it out and support him as well. But yeah, we met on YouTube and we've been talking, video chatting, all that fun stuff, and he flew out here April Fool's Day and we met for the first time, and now he is back and it is May 17th and we are going to the zoo today and I am so excited. So I'm taking you guys along for the journey and I really hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, see you guys soon. Hey guys, so we just made it to the zoo and this is Sam.
Hi everybody.
So he's my boyfriend and yeah, we're gonna go look at some animals and I'm excited to bring you guys along. So yeah, stay tuned.
Ice cream. Honey, where are we going?
We're going to see the lions.
Not just the lions.
The tigers and the bears.
Oh my. And the elephants.
Yes.
Well, we're going to go see elephants. Okay, bye.
Bye. He's like, look, I found the prize. Okay, guys.
She dropped her water.
So we are done here at the zoo. We've had lots of fun, and now we're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory, so that's gonna be fun, and then go in the mall that is there.
And you've never been to Cheesecake Factory, right?
No, I haven't.
Okay, we're going to Cheesecake Factory.
So it's gonna be the first for me.
Yay!
So we have made it to the Cheesecake Factory. See?
See?
So,
I'm sure they would have believed you if you would have just told them.
yeah, probably. So we're gonna get some food in a little bit, but first we're gonna do some shopping. Maybe not shopping, but just looking. I don't know. Where are we going, honey?
Target.
Yes.
It's right there.
We're going to Target.
Over there.
Where we're going, guys?
What are we getting at Target?
I don't know.
Target stuff?
Target stuff.
Let's go get
Hey
Target.
guys, so I went in Target and I'm gonna show you all what my boyfriend got me.
That's me.
So I got this cute shirt. It says Stars and Stripes. It's really cute for 4th of July, and it's got this cute little tie in the front. I like it. I think it's cute. And then he got me this cute tank top with a cactus on it, because I'm obsessed with cactuses. Excited about that. And then I picked out these ponytail twisty things that I I got a small package from Ulta, and I've been loving them. They're really cute, and I like these other colors and these, so I wanted to try some of those. And then this is really exciting. So at first I thought it was a coffee mug, but it's actually a cactus planter. So you can actually put a plant in here because it has like a little drain hole. So I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to plant something in here because I love plants. I got this new little glitter eyeshadow quad. No, not quad. You know those no, it is a quad. This little eyeshadow quad by Pixie. I had seen people raving about this, and my Target at home did not have these yet, and so I really want to try out these colors. I think they're really pretty. So yeah, that's it gonna be for the Target haul. Okay, y'all. So
Hi, y'all.
so we
We went to the zoo, as you saw,
yeah.
and then we went to I don't think we told them we were going to the mall.
Yeah.
But we went to the Cheesecake Factory, which is within the mall.
Yeah, it was really good. We enjoyed it a lot. I got cheesecake, as you guys have done seen. I showed you guys that. The food was delicious. Highly recommend going and eating there if you have not. Yeah, so this is the end of the vlog. Really hope you enjoyed it.
1.1 miles. Keep left onto I-64 East.
Okay.
And yeah, guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning.
Bye.
Bye. So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.